Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail,
I'm sorry?
to not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Ma'am, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear, you've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself.
All right, folks. Today we've got a wild one in court, a defendant who insists she doesn't need treatment for her drug addiction. But just wait until you see how things unfold. By the end of this hearing, the judge lays down a serious sentence, and suddenly she's pleading for the very help she claimed she didn't need. It's intense, unpredictable, and honestly, kind of unbelievable to watch. Let me know what you think of her courtroom performance in the comments, and if you're into content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump in. Asterisk, asterisk.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please pardon your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that'll be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days, I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
Asterisk, asterisk, I don't know about you guys, but the tension in this courtroom is really starting to build, and honestly, I can't blame the judge for what's about to happen. Let's break this down. The defendant was arrested on drug charges, which is already serious. Possession or use of controlled substances can carry heavy penalties depending on the state. But instead of jail time, she was given probation, a legal privilege, not a right. That was the court saying, "We're giving you a chance, don't waste it." But she did absolutely nothing with that chance. Then, the court ordered her to treatment, which is common in drug court since the focus is on rehabilitation over punishment. And now, she's back, trying to talk her way out of the consequences after blowing off both probation and treatment. At some point, the system has to draw the line. Public safety matters, and judges can't just keep giving out second, third, and fourth chances. If I were the judge, I'd probably hand down a serious sentence too. What do you think about her story so far? Let's get back into it. Asterisk, asterisk.
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here.
Oh yeah, she's been drinking water. Let her back out on the streets. She's definitely ready to change her life now.
So I haven't
Hey,
been.
ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion, you go through the motions. So you just go through the motions, you don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm willing to go for any probation that you can.
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will note that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93, plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Asterisk asterisk, this has to be one of the funniest court hearings I've seen in a while. This girl is completely delusional. Like, what did she think was going to happen? The judge already gave her a huge break with probation, and she did absolutely nothing with it. Now she's sitting there saying she doesn't want treatment, as if that's not basically begging for jail time. What other option did the judge even have at this point? Honestly, jail might have been the soft choice here. She's acting like probation is just a free pass, when in reality, it's a legal agreement. You stay out of trouble, follow the rules, or you're done. But she's treating it like it's optional. At this point, I wouldn't blame the judge for feeling like a babysitter dealing with a stubborn kid. She's definitely not the sharpest tool in the shed, let's just say that. What do you guys think? Did she get what she deserved, or should the sentence have been even tougher? Let's jump back into her little meltdown. Asterisk asterisk.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve.
Asterisk asterisk boom, just like that, she got hit with 138 days. And honestly, I think the judge nailed it. Sure, 138 days might seem like a lot for some drug charges, but let's not forget she completely ghosted probation. That was her second chance, and she threw it away. So at that point, what's the judge supposed to do? Let her walk again? Yeah, I don't think so. Actions have consequences, and this sentence feels like the right mix of accountability and time to reflect. Who knows, maybe it'll even be the wake-up call she needs. But from what we saw, she's clearly not taking anything seriously. Her attitude, the excuses, the way she tries to talk around the issue, it all comes off as super immature. Like, just own it. You messed up, now do your time, reflect, and hopefully come out better on the other side. But hey, that's just my take. What do you think? Was 138 days fair, or was it overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this wild courtroom moment, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. I appreciate you all for watching. Take care. Asterisk asterisk.